Hey there! Today, we're diving into the world of organization with the 12-cube closet organizers and storage unit, a versatile and stylish solution for any room in your home. This all-in-one storage system comes complete with matching foldable fabric bins featuring convenient handles, making it a breeze to unpack, assemble, and start organizing right away. With dimensions of 36 by 43 by 12 inches, this unit offers multiple size cubes, perfect for storing everything from clothes and towels to books, toys, and craft supplies. Designed to be both functional and fashionable, this cube organizer is more than just a storage solution. It's a chic piece of furniture that enhances any space, whether it's a bedroom, playroom, or dorm. Built to handle the big stuff, each cube is reinforced with 4 strengthening steel bars and a rust-proof iron frame, ensuring durability and dust resistance. Plus, the fun doesn't stop at assembly. Get creative and design the layout to suit your taste and space with the numerous configurations this cubby shelf offers. So, if you're ready to pile on the style and organization, this cube storage unit is your home's new best friend. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.